This video will discuss on what is a function in C. The first section will explain the functions in C, what a function is in C, and the general purpose of a function. So, a C program is made of one or more functions, and one and only of which must be named main. So the main function in a C program is very important. And the purpose of a function is to receive zero or more pieces of data, operate on them, and return at most one piece of data. At the same time, a function can have a side effect. It is an action that results in a change in the state of the program. A function may return a value or may not return a value. So take note that in a C program, the main function is the um, necessary function, and may our program may be composed of two or more functions, and they will be called inside the main. So in a C, a program is made of one or more functions, and one and only one of which is must be a main function. So the execution of the program always starts with main, but it can call other functions to do some part of the job. So we have the function declaration, function definition, and we are going to call those functions inside the main method. Okay, just like this figure which shows the structure chart for a C program. We have the main function, and inside this main function we have the function call that are calling the function 1, function 2, and function 3. And also this function 1, function 2, and function 3 are associated with the other functions, just like, for example, inside the function 1 we have called the functions A, function B, and function C. And also in function D, it is called inside the function 2. Okay, and on the other hand, function 3 has a function call for function E and F. So this figure shows the function concept. We have we may have to pass the zero or more data values into the function, and may have the side effect that at least one data or at most one data value or structure can be returned. So after processing this data inside the function as a return, it will be mm, returned but at most one in this function. So we have to take note that a function in C can have a return value, a side effect, or both. Okay. Then the side effect occurs before the value is returned inside the function definition. The function's value is the value in the expression of the return statement, and the function can be called for its value, its side effect, or both the value and the side effect.